In this video, I'll guide you through how to share LibreOffice files, ensuring your documents are accessible and easy to distribute. Whether you're working on a presentation, a spreadsheet, or a text document, sharing your work efficiently is essential for collaboration and communication. Let's dive into the steps that will help you share your LibreOffice files seamlessly. First things first, you'll want to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. Make sure it's installed and up to date to avoid any compatibility issues. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it for free from the LibreOffice official website. Once you have LibreOffice open, navigate to the document you want to share. You can do this by clicking on File in the Recent Documents list. This is particularly useful if you've been working on the document recently and need quick access. Once your document is open, take a moment to review it to ensure it's ready to be shared. Check for any errors or final adjustments you might need to make. When you're satisfied with the document, click on File, located at the top left corner of the window. This will open a drop-down menu with several options for managing your document. In this menu, look for the option labeled Export As. Clicking on Export As is a crucial step because it gives you the opportunity to save your document in a different format, which can be more universally accessible. For sharing purposes, we recommend exporting your document as a PDF. The PDF format is widely used because it preserves the formatting of your document across different devices and operating systems. To do this, select Export as PDF from the drop-down menu. This will open a new window where you can adjust the settings for your PDF export. Here, you can choose the range of pages you want to include, set the image quality, and decide if you want to password protect your PDF. Once you're satisfied with these settings, click Export. You'll then be prompted to choose a location on your computer to save the PDF file. Pick a folder where you can easily find the document later. Now that your document is exported as a PDF, it's time to share it with your friends or colleagues. There are several ways you can do this. You can attach the PDF file to an email, upload it to a cloud service like Google Drive or Dropbox, or even use messaging apps that support file sharing. Choose the method that's most convenient for you and your recipients. Sharing your LibreOffice files as PDFs ensures that everyone can view your document exactly as you intended without any formatting issues. It's a simple yet effective way to distribute your work and collaborate with others. And there you have it, a straightforward method to share your LibreOffice files. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to share your documents efficiently. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.